finally, man, I was finally able to get my hands on the brand new Kit Kat ice cream, man. It took me at least about a month to finally able to get my hands on these. Man, I'll tell you, I've been looking high and low for these, man. I went to Walmart, I went to Kroger, a whole bunch of stores, man. Just a whole bunch of different stores looking for this ice cream. But here go the back panel right here with what's looking like on the back. Yeah, it took me a minute to find these, man. These was like $4 or something, but enough of me talking, man. Let's just get straight to the review. Okay, it's individually wrapped on the inside. Y'all can see. Take one out. Say it's four. It's four in here. It's a 4-pack. Yeah. So I'm gonna leave that right there. Kit Kat ice cream. Let's get the box out the way, sweetie. Matter of fact, I'm gonna try to see if I can get a closer look at it. There we go. There we go. This is what it looks like. Regular ice cream, you know. That's what this Kit Kat ice cream look like. I've been looking high and low for these, man. So I guess we're gonna go ahead and try it right now. Let's go and get into it while we can. See what it tastes like. Yo. It captures the taste of it pretty good. Ice cream tastes creamy. The main focus really is the chocolate on the outside. That's the main focus, honestly, man. Do I taste Kit Kat? Yup, I do. Good taste to it. Real good. I recommend you getting it. If you like Kit Kat, definitely good. Worth it. What would I rate it? I get this. I'm gonna have to give this a 9 out of 10. It's definitely worth my expectations. Really good. I gotta go with 9 out of 10. But anyway, more videos, more food reviews on the way. Next time, guys, keep watching the video. Comment, like, and subscribe. Next time, guys, peace.